Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Korean kimchi fish stew. This stew also has a lot of different vegetables in it. Hope you will like it. So now let's start cooking. We first need to prepare some tofu and cut it. We also need 1 potato and some kelp. Cut the fish like this. Now prepare a pot and add some cooking oil to it. Cut some ginger slices and add them into the pot. Add some Korean kimchi. Stir fry for around 1 minute. Now add the fish into the pot. Add the tofu, potato, kelp, and some bean sprouts. After all that, we can add some water. For the seasoning, we need half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 spoon of soy sauce. Chop some spring onion and add into the pot too. Now use high heat to cook until it boils. When it boils, we need to switch to minimum heat and cover it to cook for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, chop some green pepper and add onto the top. Cook for another 30 seconds. Turn off the heat and it is ready. This is today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.